Hey kids, and welcome back to A Very Windows Christmas. This is day 14, and for day 14 we are finally done with all the registry bullshit. And yeah, so we're just gonna do a casual installation and exploration of Windows Vista Build 1598, even though the disc says Longhorn Build 1598. Yeah, I've been kind of divided on calling this Vista Build 1598 and Longhorn Build 1598. I don't know. I don't know why, but yeah. I'm not sure if it'll work on the $8 shaped satellite. I don't think it's like a guaranteed yes, because like, you know, I mean, XP runs on here, Vista runs on here, but does their inbred cousin run on it? I don't know about that one. Yeah, I've tried build 4074 on this thing before, and yeah, it just didn't work out, so I'm kind of interested to see how Longhorn Build 1598 will go. Yeah, so we're just going to turn it on and find out if this runs. If this doesn't run, that's okay. We could just use VirtualBox here. We could just use VirtualBox. There we go. So we have our pre-installation window in this very blue background. It has the logo like right there, but that's pretty much about it. And oh my god, this window's like big. Cool. Let's just we can. So yeah, this is a beta 1 build. So it's either a beta 1 build or an earlier beta 2 build, because, you know, they might not have, you know, if it is a beta 2 build, they might not have changed the branding to say beta 2. Okay, so this is slightly different from, so this isn't in a window, it's just, you know, full screen, right, you know, right here. I think it's all, honestly, a lot more appealing. Product key. We have to type our product key, don't we? Yup. Okie dokie. Well, I accept, of course. Custom install Windows on this drive. Oh no. Is not ready for installation. What? Like, can you, like, give me an error code or something? Like, I'm just gonna look this up real quickie. Okay, so you may be asking how I got to this point. Well, it's simple. I restarted, I set the date back to June 28th, 2005, which is when this build was compiled. And I also created a partition here that was, you know, the size of this disk. It says it's 3 megabytes shorter, but, you know, it's fine, it'll do. So disk 0, partition 1, and the computer name is going to be, of course, just Tosh, which is the name I always give this computer. Next, and there we go. Windows is installing. Hooray! Oh no. GDI plus.dll. Just let go of GDI plus.dll, okay? Yeah, I just went to go take a little shit, and yeah, that happened. I'm not sure if anything else happened, just yeah. Okay, so we have Microsoft R, Windows R, codename Longhorn, evaluation copy build 5098. Cool. We just got a black screen right now. Alright, we are in. Honestly, was not expecting this to work, but cool. I guess we got a post reset Longhorn build running on the $80 cheap satellite, which is pretty cool. Yeah, okay. Shut up, please. Okay, going to control panel. Oh yeah, we got an early control panel here. You can already see some of the arrow elements here, and we got some of the final icons too, which is kind of insane, honestly. They were really ahead of their game, but they still got some XP stuff, like the display option, which is what we need. Yeah, we can make it slightly less cluttered, but we can't make it like not as stretched. So yeah, we got Internet Explorer on this thing. As you can see, some of the Windows stuff is pretty cool. Yeah. I think there was Air on this build. I don't know, but we don't have the Air drivers here, so yeah. But what version we got here? 7.0. Okay. Very nice. Like this, I think this might be a beta version of 7.0, but yes, we can't connect to the internet on this thing, so I don't know. Well, sure. Go to accessories. Yeah, pretty standard stuff. We got a paint, but it's still the XP version of paint for some reason. Again, I can doodle something. Actually, I'm gonna try something different here. There you go, that's my Longhorn logo. You like it? No, I don't want to say that. Games, what games you got in here? Well, nothing much. You got Minesweeper. Still has the XP icon, and it's pretty much the exact same as XP's. We don't got the Vista one yet. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Yeah, we could see a slightly evolved version of the start menu. It's actually, yeah, I mean, it is kind of like Vista start menu in a way. User account program, UAP. What is this? What does UAP stand for? I know. Is it like an early version of UAC? User account control. I don't know. So yeah, yeah, pretty cool that they already got some of the icons in Windows Vista, which I would normally associate with 2007, 2006. These were made all the way back in 2005. That's pretty cool. What else they got? Yeah, WordPad. Oh my god, they still got the XP icons. And this is still the version from that is just from the about screen. Copyright 2003. I don't think they bothered to change that. And I think that same banner is on the WinVerse screen. Yep. That is it. Oh. Version 6.0. We got the version 6.0 NT kernel thing. Expires September 30th, 2006. Around 2 months before Vista's, released in manufacturing. So yeah, you don't got much on here. It's just, yeah. How to report a bug. We welcome your feedback on this beta version of Windows using the XP logo for some reason. Tips on how to file a problem report. Discover what other people are saying about Longhorn. Well, yeah, I feel like that is a good look. Well, I don't know if it's actually a good look, but well, I mean, yeah, that is an installation and exploration of Windows Vista Build 1598. Also, the default wallpaper, and it's just grass. Cool. I don't know. Yeah. Well, actually, what version of Windows Media Player we're on here? 10? XP's version was 9, so that's an upgrade. Anyways, thank you all for watching this this day 14 of A Very Windows Christmas. See you on day 15, where we will take a second look at the Nanami Madobi theme CD. Bye.